So I think we are going to start. So before that, let me introduce the trainer or the facilitator today. So his name is Dominic. Okay, so let me introduce him first. So Dominic has been learned coding for 4 years, and he learns through BSD. And today he will teach you how to build a simple website by using BSD. And Dominic is a Singaporean, and currently he lives in Bangkok, Thailand. So today he's going to share with you all the knowledge of coding lah. Okay, so I hope you guys can listen carefully, and then if you have any question, please ask in the chat box. Okay, do not unmute yourself. Okay, you ask in the chat box and we will have teacher to answer you. Okay, so thank you for your cooperation, and I will pass to Dominic. Okay, so Dominic, please say hi to all and you can start your session now.
Hello, I'm Dominic, as he said it. I'm gonna just share my screen. And today I'm gonna show you how to make your own website. It's gonna be simple because we only have 1 hour. So first I'll explain what HTML, CSS, and JavaScript are. But actually we'll do that later. So HTML is the structure and the content of your web page. So it provides structure. It shows where each text box goes, if it goes inside another container or not. It uses tags so that it can organize it better, and you can have different containers inside of other containers, and that's where you put your text inside of the tags. So it has the content, which means that if you want to type something, you put it in the HTML tags. So what CSS is it just makes it look pretty, basically. CSS changes the font size. You can align stuff with CSS. You can change the color of things with CSS. Different sizes, different colors, and aligns things. So what JavaScript does is it's kind of like the brain of the web page. It does calculations. So if you want it to do 5 plus 4, it'll just do it. You have to use JavaScript for that. JavaScript is hidden from the user. So if you change something in JavaScript, it won't show up on the screen like CSS and HTML. And then for example, if you have a calculator here and you do 7 times 3, JavaScript will make that happen. So we're going to be making your own website on anything you want. It can be your hobby or interest. For example, like your interest in drawing a cool animal that you like, or some games that you play. So can everyone just go to this website, this link? So go to app.bsd.education. Then you want to sign up. Click this sign up button. and put your email address in here. For me, it'll be Dominic Low. And then you put the password. BSD123. So then you click sign up here. I'm not going to do that because I already have an account. So you click sign up and then it will tell you to go to your email that you put in here. Then you'll have to click the link in the email. Oh yeah, you go to app.bsd.education over here. Then you click on sign up. And then you put your email address. It can be your email address if you have one. Then put in a password.
All right, guys. Let me say something. Because we are going to send you all the recorded video after the session. So that means if your internet is slow or you really can't catch up or you miss some part something, it's okay because you can watch the video again and again after this session. Is it okay? So no worry if you join late. No worry if you miss something. Okay? You can watch again repeatedly. Okay? So thank you for your cooperation. And you know that this trainer today, Dominic, is just 16 years old. So yeah, so he's the example for you all to learn coding. So yeah, so just pay attention to his teaching. Okay? Yeah, thank you very much all. So Dominic, you may continue. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, so after that, once you're inside of here, you're logged in with your name over here, you can go to you'll be in your work and then you can click create your own sandbox over here. So after you click that, it'll come up with a pop-up which asks you what kind of sandbox you want. Just click HTML, CSS, and JavaScript sandbox. Oh, are people not there yet? Okay, so once you're in here, now, oh, people are still coming in. Okay. I'll give you like a minute to get in. You have to sign up with your own email address on the front page. Wait, I'll go back. So you come here and then you click sign up over here. Put in your email address and you just sign up first. Okay. So, okay. The sandbox, you click create your own sandbox next to this, your work thing, to the right of it, right here. And you just left click it. And then you find this pop up and you click that as well. Oh. You can't find this button? Oh, I think maybe you have to click this sandboxes button first, yeah. And then you can click this, maybe. Yeah. If you click sandboxes here, then you can also find it. So now that we're in this sandbox, we can, there are 3 tabs, HTML tab, CSS tab, and a JavaScript tab. So the first one is HTML. Like I said, it has the content and it uses tags like body here as well. And for example, if you want to, you can type anything you want here, like hello. And if you click this run code button, it'll come up there. Oh, people aren't able to log in. Okay. So you can use that, but like you're meant to use it. I'm just showing that you can write it here. So you can use P and then hello. Are you at the sandbox page? Yeah. Right now, what you can do is first we want a title. So we'll make 2 tags with, we'll make 1 tag, H1, like this. If you don't understand what it does, you should be able to, oh, never mind. H1. So I'll make mine about the immortal jellyfish. You can type anything you want in here. And when you click the green run code button, you can have it. And H1 will make it really big. H2 will make it slightly smaller. So for subheading, this is for heading or title. And H3 will make it really small. So here you can see the 3 different font sizes. And for example, now I want the title to be just the immortal jellyfish, and I'll make the subheading, the first subheading, maybe the description of it. And then underneath that, I'll maybe put, I'll copy something from Wikipedia or something. The immortal jellyfish. You can choose anything you want. It can be Fortnite even. Sure. And I'll take the description of it. Maybe just a paragraph. And now if I paste this here and refresh the page, it'll have the description over here that I chose. Oh, you just go over, you can search up anything you want and then just find some sort of, you can find anything and you right click and click copy. You have to select it first. And then you can, for example, if you didn't have this here, you could right click and click paste. Inside of these tags, make sure you have these tags here or else they'll become confused later on for the title. For the title, oh, for the title, you have to write what you want between 2 little tags, like the H1 tags. Then it'll come up here as a title. Is that okay? And then next, maybe we'll have like, next we can put, actually we should put a picture of something here.
Excuse me, I have a question.
Yeah?
I just came in because you did not send in the
Just go straight to the point.
Zoom link. So, what were you talking about just now? What kind?
Sorry guys, please don't mute yourself. If you really have any question, please type in the chat box. Yeah, because there are too many people here. So we will just continue our session because time is running out, and because I will send you the recorded video link, so you can watch the video again, okay, and try yourself after this session. Okay, so for this moment, please pay attention. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay. Wait first.
Yeah, so Dominic, please continue.
Okay, I'm unmuted now. Okay, so now you can, if you want to make an image and put it here. So for example, we'll put a photo of the jellyfish over here in between the H1 and H2 tags. So you can just do img. No, wait, no, not that. And then make sure you close the tags. And src equals, and then the URL of the photo that we're getting from the internet, we'll put it in here and it'll show up over here. So I'm just going to go to Google and search up the immortal jellyfish and find a photo of it. Just click on images here after searching it up here. And I'll choose this one because it's nice. So once you find a photo that you want for your topic that you're going to be making this website about, you just right click it and click copy image address. Okay. So after copying it, I'm going to right click it in between these bits and click paste. Okay, that's how you copy and paste text or images. Oh God, let's just ignore that. Oops. Oh no, there, wait, no. And if we run the code, then the photo, yeah, the photo comes up. Just take a minute to try and get a photo in. If you have questions, just type it in chat and then I'll be good. Just gonna delete this for now. You can't get the picture. Did you put it in between these images, this image tag, and then you also have to put src equals and then these things. You just right click and you press paste. I'll find a new one. Oops. If you want to get the URL of the image, you just right click it. So right click, you click copy image address, go back, and then paste it in between this src thing. And then if I run it again, I'll have the new photo. Oh, that's way too big. We can change the size of the image later. Okay, so after you're done with getting that, we'll make another line, and this time we'll just we'll go to YouTube. We'll find a video about whatever topic you want. I'm gonna find a video of this jellyfish. So once you're on the YouTube video, you want to click share. This share button next to the like and dislike, you click share. And once you click share, you want to click embed. This will give you HTML that you can just put into your website. And it'll let you, and you'll be able to watch the video on your website. So if we right click copy. If you don't want a video, that's fine. But just if you want a video, like some people might want a video in their website. So you just click copy. You go back to the sandbox and you can paste that HTML code. Oops. Paste. So now, if we run the code again, yeah, we have this video and it plays just like a normal YouTube video. So after that, we'll go into the CSS, and this is where we'll start cleaning it up, make this photo smaller. First, I'm gonna make everything centered, everything in the body tag. So everything in between here and here. I'm going to edit it in CSS and make it all centered. So you go into CSS, then you type in body. As you can see, it pops up and you just click that. It'll make a like body selector, which lets you edit the properties of the body tag. So anything within here. So if you type align, wait, is that the right one? Align content center. Oh, this is the step right now. You just type in body, open the tags, and then type in align content center. And if you run that, okay, did the wrong thing.
Text align, Dominic.
Text align, okay, thank you. Oops. Text align center. And then you run the code. Now it's all centered, except the photo because the photo's too big. So next I'm gonna make the photo smaller. So the photo is in the image tag. So I'll go back to CSS and type in IMG and it'll come up with an element selector. You click that. And then I wanna make the width smaller. So maybe 500. And then don't forget to put a semicolon at the end of each thing. For the video, you go to the video you want, click share, that share button next to the dislike, and then you click embed over here, the one on the most left, the one with the little tags here. You copy all of that. Maybe you can click this copy button. Then you go back to BSD Online and you can paste in your video at the bottom of your thing or wherever you want it. Okay, for the CSS, I made the width smaller. So I'm gonna run the code. Oh, didn't work. Oh my God, nothing's working.
Dominic, sorry, the width is okay. Just the px under after the 500.
Right, I forgot. Okay,
Yeah,
thank you. Sorry. So you have to put px after that. Now when we run the code, it works. And now that you have all this, you can start like maybe changing the color of the text. So for example, I want to make this maybe purple because purple is my favorite color. So I'll make I'll go back, see, okay, the title's in the H1 tag. Just get H1 and then put H1 here. Then you can change the color, type in color. You can scroll through here and you'll find a lot of colors. I'll choose medium purple. And then if we refresh if we run the code, yeah, the title is purple now. So next I'm going to make the rest of the text a different color. So yeah, I'm gonna make the description and the text over here, I'm gonna make all that yellow. So H2. It doesn't have to be these colors. You can choose any color you want. For the video, I think for the video, you should click share and just do it this way because it's probably better. Embed, and then, yeah. So, yellow. Huh. Okay, Google color. If you want like other colors that maybe you can't find over here, you can go to the Google, you can just go in Google, search Google Color Picker. And you can choose any color you want. So I'm gonna try and find a nice light yellow.
Excuse me, I can't log in.
Oh, you still can't log in? Oh. Wait,
Sorry, if you can't log in, you can try later. Maybe right now you just pay attention for the class first, okay? Yeah, because Dominic, let me tell you all again, Dominic is a student and he is showing you all the benefit of learning coding through BSD. So you all can just pay attention to him. You know, for him to show you how to build a simple website by using this BSD. And after this session, you will receive the recorded video link. So if you want to try to to build your own website, you can do it later. Okay, so we just let Dominic to teach. Okay, thank you all.
okay, so you can go into this Google Color Picker and choose any color. Then you can just drag all of that over, selecting it, and right click copy. Go back to the BSD Online, and instead of having that there, we can, oh wait, yeah, we want that there, sorry. And then you press paste. And now if I fix that and then put a semicolon, we should be able to run the code, and now that's also yellow. So I don't want just H2 to be yellow. I also want this P tag over here with the actual description in it to also be yellow. So I'll add a comma here and put P. Now when I refresh, it's also yellow. So yeah, you can change the font later. We'll just change some colors up first. Then we can change the font. And now that we have that done, we can change the background color. Yeah, we'll change the background color. So in body, background color, you just click it. And I want it to be black, so I'll click that one. And if you refresh the page, yeah, now it's black. So I'll give you like a minute to do that. Maybe I'll clean up some of the description. Yeah, that's good. Oh, for the background, you just click, you go into style.css. In the body section, you put background dash color, and then you can choose any color you want in here. So if there's nothing there already, you can click. So I wanted black, but you can choose any background color you want. So I chose black, and there. Now if we refresh, it's still black. You can change it. For example, if you put yellow, it'll change. I'll keep it black. So now that we have all the colors sorted out, we can change the font of these. Two div boxes separate from each other. Not. Do you want a space between the title? Okay, I'll put a space between the photo and the description. So you go back into HTML, and over here, you can just, if you type in BR, that should make an extra line. Wait, hold on. A border.
Yeah. Put a BR in the next line.
Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Here.
between the image and H2. Yeah, you can put two.
They'll send you the recording later, so yeah. Wait. I'm doing it wrong. Yeah. Each BR is like a space in between. It puts like an extra line there. So you can just copy and paste lots of them, and you'll have a really big gap. But I don't want a gap there, so I'll just delete it. There. Okay, so now we can change the font of some things. So I want to make the title, I'll make it a different font. So if we go to font dash family over here, just click it. You can choose any font. I'll try fantasy, see what that's like. Okay, I'll keep that. And I'm not sure how many fonts it has. Oh, sorry. Let's try that. Oh, that's normal. So you can keep trying different fonts until you find one that you like. I'm gonna stick with this one. So maybe for the next one, I want these to have a different font. So I can go here and change font dash family here. And you can click, I'm gonna try fantasy for that because that might look nice or weird. Okay. So you can choose any font you like, and you can put any color. You don't have to make this yellow. You don't have to make this purple. You don't need to make the background black. Just choose anything you want. So now at the end of the page, I'm going to make a link to the Wikipedia page that I used earlier for the description. The immortal jellyfish. And then I'm just going to click up here, right click, and copy. In BSD, I'm going to write wait, I forgot how to do this. P. Hang on 1 second. Let me try this.
Dominic, you want to add a hyperlink, right?
Yeah, hyperlink.
Yeah, it's not P have, it's A.
Oh
A
yeah,
have. Yeah.
Oh, thanks. I should have done this earlier. But yeah,
It's okay,
here.
it's okay.
A.
Yeah.
So now, oh, that's like the edge. Wait.
You should delete and type again. I think it will show a glossary there. You can just choose that one.
Wait. Wait. Oh, it's stuck all the way in the corner. Oh. Yeah. I'll just put it over a new P. Oh, okay. Like this. Okay, there. So now it's over here. Okay, phew. It's fixed. So you have to put the P first, then you put A, put href equals, and then these apostrophes, wait, quotation marks. You put your link inside and then close the other tags, and then you can type anything you want. So before that, I'm gonna put click and then here for more info. And it'll be at the bottom of my page. So I guess now you can like add more stuff. You can maybe add another sub, like after the photo, after the video, you can put another header, H2 again. And you could make this, I'm gonna make this about the life cycle. And then it'll show up over here. I'm gonna put another P tag for paragraph. Okay. And then I'm gonna take some more stuff, life cycle, sure. Take that. Right click, copy, go back, and I'll paste it in. If it's too much text, I might delete a few sentences. There. So now when I refresh, it'll come up. Oh, it's big. Oh, right, I forgot to put a slash there. Now it's another P thing. So now I want these to be a different color to everything else. So in H2 and P over here, I'm gonna put ID equals. Someone's scribbling on the screen. I don't know how to get rid of that. Hmm. Maybe I. Oh, eraser. Okay, perfect. Now it's all gone. Now no one else can annotate. And okay, let's come back to this. And you want to put the ID here, put it in both the P tag and the H2 tag. And you can, for the ID, I'll put para2. Then I'm going to go back to the CSS and I'll put hashtag para2. And then this should let me change the color of it to, I'll change it to white. Yeah, so now that section's white about the life cycle. Yeah, that should work. Does it work for you? If you want to check anything, you can always type it in and then run the code to check. If it's wrong, you can always just delete it. Remove the styling on a hyperlink. Like, oh yeah, you can change that. Oh wait, God, how to do it. If you're ever confused on how to do something, just search it up. So for example, changing the color from purple. So I'll search up changing color of hyperlink HTML. Sure, I'll search that up. I trust W3 schools the most. And you can find a bunch of examples here and HTML link colors. I think if you just change in CSS, if you just change the A tag, it should change the HTML color. So color, I'll change it to green. How about that? Try that. Yeah, now it's green. You can check here if you want. Maybe if you need to search something else up and they don't have it in here, you can search up how to remove underline from link and W3 schools. So they already showed changing the color. And okay, so it's text decoration none. So I'll bring that back over here after copying it, and I can just paste that in over here. Oops, I accidentally copied something wrong. There. Now there's no underline. If you have any more questions, you can just type it in the chat. Don't unmute yourself. And I'm not sure what else. Kind of done. If it doesn't work, then it shouldn't be right? P, A, P, yes, A, yeah. Yeah, you'll be able to share it with your friends. Wait, where's the share button? Oh, I think you have to save it first. So we can just click the save button over here. And then once you do, it'll ask you to put a title and maybe a description. So I'm gonna put mine, the immortal jellyfish. And if I save it, now it'll be saved inside of my BSD account. So if I go back and go to your work, if I go back here, I'll be able to find it again. Oh, your sandboxes. There, I'll click that. And then now that you have this, you can, now that's saved, you can click this button next to output here. You can click it and enable share link. And then you'll be able to, anyone will be able to open this link. I'll send it in the chat. You can open this link and find this website here. Because BSD, what they do is they host your website on their servers. So if you click this button and share this link with your friends, they'll be able to see your website. So I'll just quickly open this link. No, they can't edit your web page. They can only see it. Oh, interesting. Oh. Yeah, so if you, I'll be able to open your website here. Interesting. Yeah, the video will be sent to you after we finish this. Yeah. I think I'm done. Oh, I'll show some projects that I did with BSD. So first I'll show this.
Yeah, Dominic, please show some of your project that you have done before.
Sure. First I made this backpackers website, which you can, their products, you can add stuff to your cart, and added 3 water bottles, maybe 3 backpacks and 1 water bottle, and you can just change stuff on the cart. There's an About Us page. There's multiple pages which you can easily swap through. And the other one that I'm proud of is this.
Can you please share the link in the chat
sure.
box?
I'll share the link for both of them.
Yeah, so that they can open the website.
Send. Okay, so that's the backpacker, and the other one is this burger game that I made. Oops. So it has upgrades and stuff. You can retry, and then so you just have to do the order that's here and click. That's the 2 main ones that I'm happy with.
Okay, so Dominic, that's all right.
Yeah.
Okay, so yeah, so thank you, Dominic, for showing us how he learned, coding through BSD, and then showing you all how to build a simple website and some of his projects, okay, that he has done before. So before we end our session, I'm going to show you our courses details. Yeah, so Dominic, can you stop share so I will share my screen?
Okay.
Thank you. So before I end our session, yeah, so let's see this. Just now, Dominic is using BSD program to show you how to build a website, and we do have a full course program. So if you really want to learn how to learn coding, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, because we know that in this 1 hour session, you definitely cannot learn all, right? So you need a full program. So if you are really interested, you can contact us for more information. So right now, the BSD, we got this code packs, and Dominic is also learning by using this one. So inside we have coding 101, where you can learn how to build eye chart, trivia game, online poster, and we have content creator. So you can learn how to build book review app, online magazine, multi-page website like the website that Dominic showed you just now. And we also have others creative writer program also. So all inside this Codepad program. We also have game builder. Yeah. So if you really have interested, then you can contact us. Okay. So I think the time is up now. We will send you the recorded video link. Okay, and then you can watch again. Okay. Let me see the question. Okay, we will send the recorded video link to your email that you used to sign up. Okay. So if you guys, if you think that Dominic is doing a good job and is teaching very well, can you please say thank you or say very good in the comment section? Yeah, then can give him applause, right? Yeah, thank you all, thank you all. I know you all learn a lot today, right? Yeah, thank you, thank you. So I repeat again, we will send you the recorded video link to your email that you used to sign up, okay? And if you have any question, so please email us, okay? Thank you very much, and we will end this session. Yeah, thank you.